Nerve growth factor, or NGF, is a specialized protein that maintains the health and vitality of our nerve cells. It prevents cell death and promotes survival. NGF doesn't just protect, it also stimulates growth and differentiation. It even helps create new neurons from stem cells, a process called neurogenesis. NGF is produced by tissues like corneal and endothelial cells, then taken up by nerve endings and transported to where it's needed most. In the brain, NGF facilitates recovery and supports memory and cognitive function. In the peripheral nervous system, it promotes nerve repair after injuries. NGF even protects neurons from stress, like low oxygen or reduced blood supply, preventing irreversible damage. Because of these powerful effects, NGF is being studied as a therapy for conditions like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, multiple sclerosis, and nerve injuries. NGF is more than a protein. It's a vital guardian of our nervous system, with the potential to transform future treatments for neurodegenerative diseases and nerve repair.